Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning to everyone. Happy Friday. Let's get the show on the road. Are we finally going to get all-time highs today? Look at it. It's been creeping and creeping and creeping and no cigar. We didn't get all-time highs during the overnight session. So what are we thinking here? A little pop, little drop first, and then the rally? So let's hop on to the 15-minute. Let's take a look at the week, how it all played out. Good morning. Let me say good morning to everybody first. Happy Friday. Let's try to get out of here pretty quickly. DJ, New York City, EN, Carlos, my permabull. Let's go. I think today's the day. Nicholas Gomez, the man from the other side of the ocean in France. Good morning, sir, or good afternoon and good evening to you. Goblin CNY, good morning, Nico. I think I'm agreeing with Nico here. Let's look for that drop, the pullback, and long it to infinity, unless we all get caught. All right, let's take a look at the 15-minute. Let's see how it's played out for the week. Let's start with is this Monday? Yes. So Monday, 6:30 a.m. Remember, I'm 3 hours behind New York Eastern. I'm live streaming from Arizona. So Monday, 6:30 a.m. The open, quick pop, hovered, and flushed everybody back down. Let's go to Tuesday. Same thing, 6:30 a.m. Hovered, flushed everybody back down, and then gave us a nice little move to the upside. Let's go to 9:10. Here we go. Boom. Same thing for Wednesday. Hinted that popped it up here, flushed everybody back down. Let's go to yesterday's open. We were all bullish, including myself, and had to dig myself out of a loss, thinking yesterday was the break. And although we didn't get a flush, we didn't pop above either until later. Was it the overnight session? Yeah, the overnight session. So consolidation, tight consolidation yesterday. No breakout, as we all figured that out. And now we're here. Couple points away from all-time highs. What are current all-time highs? I know we didn't set it during the overnight. I think it's 2460. Yeah, 2468 all-time highs. So that's where we're at. So 4 days in a row, hinting to breakout. We've all been trying to capture this long for the all-time high and has not given it to us. 4 days in a row. So is today the day? Are they going to now give the move as easy as it looks and they just rally right from the open? I don't know. Maybe let's do the safe thing and wait for a pullback, possibly to that VWAP area, 2420, and attempt the first long somewhere there, or let them pull it back as far as they want first. All right, we do have news today. News. Here we go. We have 10 a.m. University of Michigan sentiment. That is a red folder event. Should be some volatility there. So let me make sure. Alexa, how many alarms do I have? All right, that's the 15-minute opening range. Let's set another one for 10 a.m. Alexa, alarm for 6:55 a.m. Alexa, name second alarm, University of Michigan. Alexa, stop. All right, we're good to go. So that's what we have in terms of the week. Bullish. Not looking to short anytime soon. So let's be aware of the volatility potential today again with University of Michigan. I'm going to be waiting for some type of pullback. I hope they don't just pick this up and rally right at the open. All right, I think we're good to go now. JQ, good morning. That is financialjuice.com. Carlos, good morning. Passive income, good morning. Good morning to everyone. And if you were asking about this, that is financialjuice.com. We have the, what's it called? The chat account as well available today for your trades. That one is up about $1,000. That's the chat account. John Amos, good morning. JQ. All right, guys. Well, casino opens in 9 minutes. We're finally going to get this all-time high play. Jesse James, good morning, sir. Happy Friday to everyone. Going to be a little patient today. Yesterday was a little too impatient on those first 2 or 3 trades. Ended up coming back from the red, but let's see if we can avoid some of that red today. Do have all of my accounts now protected, both Rhythmic and Tradeify. Rhythmic is protected at 2K personal daily loss limit at 150Ks. Tradeify as well. So hopefully no more blowing up. At least in one day, no more blowing up. Just set a risk parameters in Rhythmic on all my accounts and also set Tradeify. Some of you guys have mentioned Quant Guard, I think it is. But for now, I'm going to be testing the risk parameters with Tradeify, or the built-in risk parameters with Tradeify and the built-in risk parameters in Rhythmic, setting daily loss limits. All right, well, I think we've gone over the plan. Let's take a look at levels now. Levels. Overnight high at 24. Well, I think we just set overnight high right here, right? 51, still no all-time high, but that is now the current overnight high at 51. We got previous day high at 45. Yesterday's close, which is potentially the play we're all, the pullback or the gap fill reversal at 24.20. That's also where VWAP is hovering, so that's what I'm watching for, this pullback down to that 24.20 area. And potentially attempt along there. And then we have overnight low at 969 and previous day low at 909. So bullish, but got to be careful with not getting too much with the timing, right? Not getting too much drawdown on these plays. All right, casino opens in 6 minutes. I agree with Jesse. It's Friday. We should all be happy and ready for the weekend. And in the meantime, if you're enjoying the content, do me a favor, smash that like, smash that subscribe, and let's do it. Happy Friday to everyone. Zen Trader, good morning, sir. Nico, good morning. Again, what am I watching for? Yes, I understand bullish, not looking to short anytime soon. So potential pullback down to this area, VWAP area, 200 SMA. Got the 200 SMA also on the 5-minute. So that 24.20 area looks juicy for a potential gap fill reversal. Long. Now, if the bulls rally right out of the gates, which is what I'm hoping they're not going to do, and I mean, they are close, then it's trying to hop on this FOMO long, which I tried yesterday, right? I was bullish yesterday, and I tried to do the FOMO long 3 times and didn't get it. Now, and it's tried to do it 4 days in a row, not giving us all-time highs. So today, probably not going to take the FOMO long unless we see an insane amount of strength. Plus, we got news at 10 a.m. So the safer play is let's wait for that pullback to that VWAP and see how it reacts down there. Good morning, Shark Trends. Just here for 5 minutes. Let me guess, Shark Trends, you're playing the gap fill. Oh, good morning. Good morning to everyone. It's Friday. Let's try to keep it green. And if it's going to be red, let's try to control it. I did set, like I said, a personal daily loss limit on all my accounts, both Rhythmic and Tradeify, just so I don't get carried away. Shark Trends, good to see you. Shark Trends going for his classic gap fill, playing the short here down to potentially previous day close around that 24.20 area. That sounds like the right play. I'm going to see if I can hop on the reversal of that, or the gap fill reversal. So we'll see. 3 minutes. Casino opens in 3 minutes, guys. 3 minutes. In the meantime, if you're enjoying the content or have been enjoying the content, do me a favor, smash that like, smash that subscribe. Nico, let's check the 15-minute. I believe that's an ascending channel, right? I took a look at the 15-minute. It's a sharp ascending channel. Yep. There it is. So let's see. Maybe this pullback again, that 24.20 area seems to be the juicy spot for now. All right, they're taking that pullback a little early. Let's go. 8:28, 2 minutes to go. Zen Trader, 17 points from all-time high. Carlos is going long at the opening. Nico retraced to 991. Good morning to everyone. I'm going to be watching for 24.20 and see how we react down there. From there, if it does decide to bounce, we got a lot of movement to the upside. If this is going to be the expansion play that we're waiting for all week, there's a lot of upside, so we can be patient. Now, the only thing here is if they rally right off the bat, makes it a little complicated to hop on that FOMO long. But I did it yesterday, right? I did FOMO long like 2 or 3 times yesterday, hoping for that breakout. That didn't happen. So today, a little bit of patience. We got 10 a.m. news. Let's try to keep it green. Let's try to keep it controlled. Control the emotions. We are at a pivot point. We are at a 30-minute pivot point. We have not been able to break through 24.50 area all week. All-time high is right above it. So, a couple of you are in position short. A couple of you are long in the open. So let's go. Ibrahim, what's up, brother? King Caesar scalping to short. And casino opens in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Oh, the rally right off the bat. Jesus Christ. All right, let's be patient. I'm not going to hop on that crazy long yet. See if we get a pullback on this. Tapped all-time highs, and you can't short all-time highs, that's for sure. Carlos is out with an $800 win, long in the open. Christopher Zazek, all right, let's wait, see what we're going to do here. Are we still going to do the gap fill, which is what I'm waiting for? Or is this the bounce area? Remember, we got 10 a.m. news. All right, let's see what happens at 24.20, which is what I'm waiting for. Dark trends added to the short. I think he's out and probably calling it a day right now. Off to enjoy his weekend. Nicely done, Shark. All right, let's see what happens at, what number is this now? All right, I'm going to start hopping on along here, building a position. I may even DCA down at VWAP again. Come on, make it easy for us here. Easy. Not making it easy. Come on. Dark Trends, have a good one. And not bouncing just yet. Watching that 2420 area. All right, there's previous day close. Gap fill right there. A add pretty soon. Ooh, no, they want more downside here. Oh man, they're trapping some bulls today, huh? All right, let's see if we can get the bounce here. I was going to add there, but I'm already taking some drawdown. Let's relax. I'd rather close it first and wait for a stronger pullback if they're not going to bounce it here. My stop is going to be below that last wick at this point. And out. All right, so let's see. Pivot point is down at 960. Let's see how far she goes. Or if it's a directional day and no all-time. Well, we did hit all-time highs and just basically came right back down. All right, let's see what happens in this area. I don't mind hopping on the long again. But I'm going to be waiting for that 960 area first. Peter Chan, good morning, sir. Right here. Still not popping out. Not able to bounce. Here we go. Touched the 9 EMA and flushed it right back down. God damn it. Five minutes are still singling red. And still not able to bounce. I have to close pretty soon. Come on, pop out, pop out. All right, here we go. Nope. See if we can get a touch up to the 200. Otherwise, I'm going to have to close this. On push, push, push. All right, here we go. Chop it, chop it. It's chopping. Beamer is long biased. Added at that touch of the 9 EMA. All right, I'm going to sell there. I'm going to sell at the 200, and let's see if we get another pullback and then hop on another long or figure out what this market wants to do. All right, that's the 15-minute opening range. Let's bring in the 15-minute Alexa, stop. Here we go. Here's your 15-minute opening range now. See if we get another retest of this area down here, or if they're playing that channel, we'll do what we did yesterday and play that tight channel at the 9 EMA. Another entry. Come on, give me a pullback down here and I'll try another long. Just a pullback. Come on, pull back. Don't take off just yet. Don't take off just yet. Just a pullback first. Come on, come back, come back. Don't take off yet. Don't take off yet. Give me that pullback. Give me that pullback. All right. Hopping on there. I'll add right. Still in that channel. There's the 9 EMA touch. Adding right there. Gonna keep it tight. Come back and test the whole thing. Pop out. Pop out. There you go. Pop out. Pop out. Not wanting to pop out. Shit. All right, so another leg down. Like another leg down first. Yep. God damn it. All right, she doesn't bounce here. I got to get out. On, pop out. You're a good girl. Pop out. Oh. Oh, breakout here. All right, news. Oh, shoot. I got to be careful. News is in 9 minutes. I got to go flat pretty soon. No matter what happens here, I'm going to have to go flat. Come on. And I'm going to have to close. It's just that range. I'll tolerate the range, but a break below that range. Nothing too tough. News in 7 minutes. Come on. Oh, no breakout. Nada. Break out of that range. Let's go. News in 5 minutes. I have to go flat pretty soon regardless. Can't get above the 200 SMA right there. All right, I'm going to release one pretty soon. Alexa, stop. That's my alarm for in sentiment news. Here we go. Come on, pop out. Pop out. You can do it. You can do it. All right. Pop out. Nothing, huh? Ibrahim is out. Gonna have to release my first entry pretty soon just so I reduce the risk. I'm gonna play it through the news. Come on, give it to me before the news. Let's go. All right, I'm releasing my first entry pretty soon. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Pushing. Releasing one to reduce risk. And let's see if we get continuation on this. Otherwise, I got to close. All right, let's see if we can get a pop here. Four minutes for the news. Beamer USA. Beamer just added. Well, I was in drawdown, so I don't want to push my luck today. All right, news in 3 minutes. I'm gonna go flat just so I don't gamble it, or who knows? Maybe we'll stick through it. News in 3 minutes. 3 minutes. I'm going to have to close this. News in 2 minutes. Come on. News in 1 minute. Well, 1 minute, 15 seconds. Can you give me the pop before the news? News in 40 seconds. $30 seconds for the news. Come on, pop it so I can get out of here. I gotta do the right thing. I gotta be flat for the news. I don't want to gamble it. It's probably gonna pop, but no need to take that risk. Wait for the news and then we'll hop on again. Okay. Coming down. Wait for that to settle. Still in an ascending channel. All right, I'm going to try along the breakout there now. See if we can get a breakout. Keep it tight. A quick boner candle and let's go. Push it, push it. It's that boner candle. Come on, let's go. Oh, god damn it. Weakest bulls at the open. Last the whole week. All right, here they go. Take off. Oh, god damn it. As Jesse James likes to hear me say, Jesus Christ. Still no boner candle. Come on. Not breaking. Playing to break and it ain't breaking. Break it. Break it. Oh. Jeez. There we go. Come on, take off. Take off. Take off. Nothing. nothing, huh? Jeez. Won't take off. Chop. Give me a boner candle. Let's go. It's the weakest breakout ever at all-time highs. I'm probably not going to do it. You have to get out of here. I'm not liking this. Ay, 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 ay. No continuation here. Come on. NQ not realize that I'm impatient? It's not giving the strongest breakout ever. Is playing that channel. Copy. Not continuous. King Caesar says, don't trust the chop. I agree, man. I'm about to get out here pretty soon. I was hoping for a pop. No pop. HR telling us that they got the shooter. Good stuff. Amen to that. All right, this candle right here needs to be the deciding wick to the upside. Otherwise, I'm getting out. Oh, there we go. Come on, push it. That candle was important. If the 9 EMA didn't hold, that could have been trouble. Trouble. It's still not giving me the pop that I want. I don't want to ride this channel all the way up and down, up and down. I just want to pop and get out of here. Slow grind. All right, I'm not going to trust this chop anymore. It's a slow grind to the upside until it breaks to the downside. Not liking it. Give me a pop. 4 attempts to push above 55. Hopping at 55, that's not good. It's the break. Need the break. There we go. Come on, break. Give us the almighty push to all-time highs that we're all waiting for. On. Taking its lovely time. Playing that channel. Up and down, up and down. Up and down with no break. Come on, give us a boner candle. Give it to us. Give it to us. Fly, as Carlos would say, fly to the moon. But this is the weakest breakout ever for all-time highs. Playing that channel until it breaks it and traps everybody. Oh. NASDAQ, why you gotta do this? Yeah, you just take it easy. Up and down in that channel. Grind. Grind to all-time high. Don't like is up and down, and playing the channel till it breaks it. Trying to break it. Can't hold that. I gotta get out. Of course it breaks it. That's what I'm watching for, Ibrahim, the test of the 200. I mean, if it flushes below that, I'm calling it a day. It didn't make it easy. Didn't make it easy for us. Yep. 200 SMA needs to hold, otherwise I'm out. VWAP, where's VWAP? VWAP is down at 26. Bulls show up today. Went for VWAP. If it fails VWAP, I gotta get out. That will be it. We'll take an L, small L today. Needs to bounce here. Bounce. It's the VWAP touch right there. They flush it. I'm out. Calling it a day. All right, they bounced VWAP, which is good. See if they can keep it up. I wasn't going to add. It's too choppy. It's no continuation here. Beamer's adding for the long there. I'm going to wait a little bit. Not too convinced just yet. It is the VWAP bounce, but if they're going to ride it, there's a lot of movement. There's a lot of potential for the upside beyond overnight highs, so you need to add leverage at this point. Just need to walk out in the green. Then Trader, the algo, will be playing games. He's done. Yeah, I think if I can walk out with a little bit of green, I'm calling it. This is not the all-time high move you wanted, at least not yet. Ibrahim is telling us we have support from the left consolidation bounce, hopefully. Well, VWAP, as long as VWAP holds and provides the final bounce, then we got a nice move to the upside. But Friday, I'm not adding leverage at this point. I'll ride this to wherever it takes me, win, lose, or draw, and call it a day. We get the play finally that I've been waiting for all week. This should be a good trade. But we need continuation, not chop. You need to follow through with that candle. That was a nice green candle. Why can't you guys just push through with it? Oh, continuation. All right, Heikin-Ashi candles are starting to look good on the green side. Maybe this is it. Final play to the upside. Definitely not making it easy. Oh. Oh, NQ. What are we going to do with you? All right, let's go. Come on. Give me the move that I've been waiting for all week. All week for this move. Nothing. Look at this chop. Oh, NQ, NQ, NQ. Ibrahim, remove your channel. Well, the channel's done. Channel got broken already. I'm just leaving it there. Now we're in a new chart pattern. On break. Break. To the moon. Let's go. Just go to the moon already. Take off. What happened to the good volatility? Follow through and just 30, 40 point rippers. All-time highs. Let's go. Pick it up. God, this is like the slowest all-time high move ever. All right, I'm getting fed up. This thing goes all the way back. Serious? No continuation even on all-time highs? You gotta be kidding me. No continuation even on that candle? You gotta be kidding me. Oh, let's go! Rush to the moon! Absolutely weakest move ever. That really it? 5 points above all-time highs for today? No. Not even. All-time high was 68. How far did we go? 75? Unbelievable. No juice. Carlos, man, this ain't no rocket ship, brother. This is making us pay for this. Ain't making it easy. NQ is making us hold. Full 5 points above all-time highs and doing this now. Making us hold. We're holding on for dear life. All-time highs here. All right, I think I'm going to have to make an executive decision here. Can you give me 80? I just don't have the patience. I got to get out of here. Ibrahim finding out he's short. Come on, man. Just give me that. Pop. All week. All week waiting for this breakout. And look how weak it is. Ay, 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 ay. When the bulls don't show up, boy, do they frustrate everybody. What is this? It's Friday, guys. I'm not pushing it. I'm pretty sure they're going to continue to rally up and slow grind it, but I don't have time. We walked out 520 bucks in the green on a Friday. Got a little drawdown initially, as usual, impatient, but we made it back. We made it back. Beamer is going for $24.89. I'm done. I got to go take my kiddo to school. It's Friday and walking out in the green. 524 bucks across all accounts. Zen Trader, have a great one. I appreciate you. Beamer, it looks like you're going to have a killer trade up to that pivot point. I do see the pivot point up there, by the way, Beamer. I know you play the pivot point up to 96. I just got tired. I like them easy. I like these moves easy. Again, day two of a little bit of drawdown at the beginning. You don't let the drawdown, affect you. I was bull biased 2 days in a row, trying to go for the breakout of all-time highs. We just didn't get the breakout. We're getting all-time highs, and they're grinding it, but not the play I like. I wanted some big, juicy green candles and walk out. But nonetheless, walking out in the green again, 524 across all accounts for a Friday. I think that's good. Zen Trader, appreciate you. Ibrahim, let's take a look at pivot points. I'll show you my screen real quick. So that's what I wanted, but I wanted it quick. Let me show you the 15-minute. Here we go. So if you take a look at, this is my trading view. Here's that pivot point all the way up to 95, call it, on all time frames. This was the breakout that I was playing of that pivot point all week. Waited for that, and just was weak. Not worth waiting for it. At least for me. I got to get out of here. So appreciate you all. Have a good one. This is week 2 in the green after some troubles a couple weeks ago. So I appreciate you all. Have a great weekend. If you're in the green, lock it in. It's chop, man. It ain't worth it. Unless you're playing micros or something like that. I could see how this is going to be an expansion play for further upside. It's just taking too. I'm a little impatient. Peter Chan, have a great one. I know you walked out into green too. I think everybody's into green today in the chat. So great job, guys. Beamer, good luck on your play to pivot point. I think that's going to happen. And listen, have a great weekend. It's been a horrible week in general on the news. Trading-wise went really good this week, or the last 2 weeks after, what was it, 2 Fridays ago and the catastrophe there. So slowly adjusting. The good thing that I'm seeing here is I'm being a lot more comfortable with drawdown. 2 days in a row of drawdown. I think yesterday's drawdown was 1,300 recovered. I actually took a trade later in the day yesterday and walked out. I think it was like $500 to $600 as well. Today, again, started in the red. And drawdown seems, I'm getting a lot more comfortable with drawdown on air, which is tricky. And walked out with the green today again. So I think it's going to be a little bit more of patience. Sure, I've been bull biased the whole week and I was waiting for this breakout. Finally got a weak version of that breakout. But if you look at the trades today, 632 trying to long this. Yes, the idea was there, right? We eventually broke out. But obviously there's always a pullback before the big move. So for me, it's how do I control the urge in this area, which seems to be the area that affects me, and then wait for this clean move. There was a nice clean move afterwards, and I used it to recover, but could have been a lot more into green had I been a little bit more patient 2 days in a row. But the good thing is I'm a lot more comfortable in drawdown on air without going too crazy and adding leverage. So baby steps, right? It's a journey. Appreciate you all. If you're getting any value from this content or enjoying it, smash that like, smash that subscribe. I'll see you guys on Monday. Enjoy your weekend. Enjoy time with the family. Talk to you guys later. Carlos, 3,100. Nicely done, brother. My perma bull. I gotta wait a little more for these moves. Getting a little too impatient at the open. So I'll watch these videos. I always do. And try to get better. Ibrahim, have a good one. King Caesar, have a great one. Jesse James, Imed, have a great one as well. Appreciate you all, and I will see you next week.
Someone smart said it right, it's the golden rule. Multiple income streams, that's what keeps you cool. The trading game is best learned when you get in the ring. Every trade's a battle and preparation's the key to everything. To everything. So welcome to JC's world, where the futures get fun. About prop firms under the morning sun. Join me live, let's trade the NASDAQ ticker NQ. Break down the market moves, me and you. I'll share my strategy, the wins and all the pain. Unfiltered, real time, through the sun and through the rain. Whether you're a pro or just starting out, there's a spot for you. Honest takes, live action, and prop firm drama too. So welcome to JC's world, where the futures get fun. The truth about prop firms under the morning sun. Join me live, let's trade the NASDAQ ticker NQ. Moves, me and you. Daily live streams, future strategy on fire. taking you higher and higher and higher. Community insights, that's the final key. Learning, growing, leveling up for all of us to see. So come on in and let's get it done. It's not financial advice, but a journey for everyone. Real trader talk, yeah, that's the real one. So welcome to JC's world.